All right, here's the latest project. Made a doggy door for NASA. NASA, wanna go outside? Go on, girl. Yeah, slides into the patio here. So the way I made it here was, I realized the track for this was about the same width as a 2x4. So that's what I made the frame out of. And then inside panels are just 1/2-inch plywood. Cut a rubber floor mat to be the flap, and it seems to work all right. I think I'm going to replace these screws with bolts. And to get this thing hooked in here, you can see it doesn't move. The way I accomplished that was I routed out a little channel here and installed a flush lock, and cut a hole up there in the top track for the bolt to slip into. So with that down, this slides out, and then I can remove it from the track. To get this side to line up, there was this latch here that wouldn't let it sit up flush. I was gonna channel out something here. I'd started marking it out, but I thought it'd be easier just to screw a couple extra pieces there on the side, and it works just fine. So it slides in there, and lock goes up there. And then to make it made up with the door here, I just added a little bit of a chamfer to bevel the edges there. And gosh, it just fits in, you know, really well. And the dog seems to like it. She can come and go as she please. Come on, Ness. Yeah.